So since FFmpeg can read and write video files, let's now check the silence detector engine. We're gonna run this ffmpeg-i test sample -af silence detect dash equals noise equals minus 30 decibels, and this is according to documentation. Let's just execute this as is and run. So what does this code will do is to take this directory as input and run this silence detector with a noise detection of negative 30 decibels, and we're gonna run this silence detector for 0.5 seconds. -f null means do not output the code. Let's try this. Okay, that took like 2 seconds. Okay, so what happened? So we see silence duration 0.7, 0.5, 0.6, 2.5, meaning it outputs the data of when did silence start during the whole video and when the silence ends. This is a good sign, meaning our silence detector is working and also our FFmpeg works. So since that's good, let's go to our app directory and make a main.py, and we're gonna execute a code import subprocess. So what this line do is, this is like Python talking to our Mac terminal. Then we're gonna assign to a variable video fat our input data sample.mov, and we're gonna create a list. We're gonna assign to a variable called cmd. So according to documentation, this is what we're gonna put so that we can run. So this will be the heart of our silence detector engine. This is like executing what we put up here before and assigning it to our main.py so that it will be executable. Then what's just left is to run this. Result subprocess that run cmd capture outro text true. Just check the documentation of ffmpeg. Then since we do not want this to make an output file, we're just gonna print it result.stder. So basically the goal of this short script, this is just a Python script that uses ffmpeg to detect silence in a video without creating an output file. We're just testing things as of right now. Okay, so once we're good to go, let's just go to the terminal and first clear these things and run this script python app /main.py, and we're gonna see if this executes. Okay, python 3, let's go. There you go. So since we're encountering an issue wherein our samples MOV cannot be detected by Python in our terminal, we need to import our OS. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the directory name using OS. It seems Python and terminal is having hard time communicating with each other on where is the real directory for the sample.mov. So we're gonna do this base dir directory OS path dir name. Then we're gonna modify the video path to this OS path join base dir test sample.mov. Then once that is done, we're good to go. We're gonna try again running our Python app main.py. Let's go. This now works. Let's go.